Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram videos. So guys, let's continue into Instagram and then select the video you want to download. So I'm choosing this one and then click on the send icon. Now copy the link. Now go back and go to your Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and search Save Insta. Tap on the first one. Now tap on the paste bar and paste the link. And now tap on download. And tap on download video. Tap on details. So guys, as you can see, your video are